Tom Fanuto presents Burn the Fat and Feed the Muscle, the #1 diet and fitness ebook in the world. Fat burning secrets of the world's best bodybuilders and fitness models. You can get this book at burnbodyfattips.com. What makes this fat burning breakthrough so exciting is that it gives you the power to lose fat permanently and lose body fat without wrecking your metabolism. Lose fat without drugs and without supplements. Burn the Fat and Feed the Muscle, a 340-page fat-burning success manual jam-packed cover to cover with all the fat loss methods previously known by only an elite group of top fitness models and bodybuilders. This is not a diet, this is a lifestyle. Here's just a sample of what you'll learn when you get your copy of Burn the Fat and Feed the Muscle today. You're going to learn fat-burning nutrition secrets that break through any fat loss plateau, even if you have bad genetics, a slow metabolism, or if you've been stuck at the same weight for years. You're going to learn 10 foolproof methods that work like magic every time. Remember, this is not a diet, this is a lifestyle. In addition, you're going to learn the top 12 worst foods you should never eat, and the top 12 best foods that you should eat all the time, and how to crank up your metabolism and turn your body into a food incinerating, fat melting human blast furnace. Easy metabolism boosting techniques are revealed in this book. You can get this book at burnbodyfattips.com. This is not a diet. It's a lifestyle change. There are no gimmicks in this program. There are no supplements or pills to buy and no hidden agendas. Just the facts, everything you need to know to get a lean body now. To learn more about the Burn the Fat system and to find out how you can start turning your body into a fat-burning machine today, go to burnbodyfattips.com. That's burnbodyfattips.com, the #1 ebook.